Hey guys, welcome to another video here at STI Liz. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support that I've been receiving. I truly appreciate it. So today I bring you guys another how-to/install video. I won't be doing it today, but I am going to be unboxing it today. I'm just so excited. I got it in the mail yesterday and I just see the box and I'm like, I want to open it. So I'm just going to do that right now so I can show you guys what comes in it, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the big box first, and then we'll move on to the small one. You guys ready? Yee! I'm so excited! So, as you can tell, I got the Subispeed sequential headlights, but wait and see which ones I got. Dang, these are so clean. Okay, so let's go ahead and unwrap it so you guys can see exactly which ones I got. I'm so excited. I have never seen these in person, so Alrighty, so I'm super excited to be installing these headlights today. I actually did get them through Rally Sport Direct, so shout out to them. If you guys are interested in buying these exact headlights, I will have them linked down below. So feel free to go down there and click on the link. It'll take you directly to their website. I didn't expect them to arrive so soon. It was only like a couple days for shipping, so they're awesome. Also, if you guys want to get some money off, go ahead and use my code STILIZ and you will get 10% off. If you're making a big purchase or even a small purchase, 10% off goes a long way. Save some money for you. So time for the little box. Let's see what's in here. I think I can imagine what's in here already, so yeah. So it's all the wiring that I need to install it, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away. I don't have time to actually install them today, so I'll do it in a couple days. I just wanted to see them, so that's why I opened them up today. Okay, bye! Alrighty, so it's been a few days, so now time to install the headlights. Now, in order to actually install the headlights, we have to remove my old headlights, which we actually have to remove my bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and start there, and yeah, follow along. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, but first I'm gonna go ahead and remove all this wiring. All this wiring is basically connected to my bezels. If you guys have watched my previous video, I explained what goes where, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove it just because I'm not too sure what exactly I'm gonna need. Since I still want to keep the bezels sequential and all, but I don't know. I'm just gonna start by unplugging everything and then getting the headlight out. Okay, so I removed the headlight bracket. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the actual headlight with the two bolts up here, and then I think it has like one pop-up, so should be pretty quick. Just make sure you don't drop your headlight. So these are the OEM 2020 STI headlights. They're gorgeous, but the other ones are better. So I think I got all the wiring down, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna test it right now to see if I did it correctly. Then I'll just explain everything that I did on the other side. Okay, so I was able to figure out how to connect everything on the passenger side. I actually followed a diagram that I found online. It was very helpful. But now I want to explain it a little bit more into detail so I can show you guys and you guys can see and follow along if you're installing these headlights as well. It's much easier to visualize it when I lay it down flat than when it's already installed in the car. So that's what I'm gonna do. And by the way, this is for a 2020 STI. I believe it varies by years, so if you have a generation like mine, then it should work. Okay, so this is the wiring that you are gonna need. Basically, this is already connected to the headlight. You are gonna need this adapter here. You basically plug this into here, like so. Okay, so then you're gonna grab this one here, and then you're going to connect it to the orange and gray wire. So you're going to do black and green to the orange and gray. You're just going to connect those here. This is only if you have an OEM fog light, which I don't, so I'm not going to be using that one. So this one is actually going to go connected to this cable over here, the one that has all 4 colors, the black, the yellow, and the blue. So you're going to connect this here. Oops, wrong way. There you go. Now this one here is if you want your headlights to be sequential or not. If you don't want them to be sequential, you'll leave it plugged in, but if you want them to be sequential, you will take it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off because I like it when it's sequential. So that's that. And this one here, we're actually gonna go ahead and block it out, and they do provide some plugs here. And now you're just gonna plug this into your car's wire harness. We are gonna have to do a lot of wire management since there's a lot, but the point is to get the headlights on, make sure they're working properly, and we'll go from there. So all this wiring that I have right here is basically for my bezels, but since I had the OEM headlights, I had to have this special adapter, which is this one here. I went ahead and removed it from the other side because I no longer need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and, I had zip tied it together, just some wire management, but I'm gonna go ahead and break this up and then take off the ones that I don't need, which is this one here. There's an additional wiring that you actually need. I believe this is for your daytime running lights. So I already attached it to the other headlight. It actually goes connected to the blue cable that's attached to the headlight. So you're just gonna wanna plug in this little yellow tip into the blue cable. And on the other side, it has this fuse tap that you actually have to go over to your fuse box. And I believe it goes in the one that is for your high beams. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that one and replace it with this one. Alright, so now that I've plugged everything in, we're gonna go ahead and test it out. So let's unlock it to see the lights. Ooh, they look so good. So I reviewed the footage and apparently my blinkers aren't working correctly. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. So they did give me like the aftermarket flasher. It's like a little box. It's for all LED lights. But I tried plugging it in, but honestly it was really hard to get under my dash. So I'm gonna try to maybe unplug it and then plug it back in because it's not working properly. It's going like super fast. So I'm gonna try to figure it out. I'm gonna do some research, see if there's something that I missed, and I'll get back to you guys later. But honestly, they look so good. I can't wait to put my bumper back on so I can see how it looks all together. But as of now, I'm in love with them. They're so nice, and the daytime running lights look so good. I love them so much. But yes, thank you so much to Rally Sport Direct. Really appreciate it. And let's continue with the video. Okay, so I tried doing some research and I couldn't figure it out. It says I'm supposed to use the hyper flashing like little module thing. I already put that in, but it's still not working. I'll show you guys, but maybe you guys can help me. Comment down below any recommendations that I could do. Maybe I did something wrong, but honestly I think I connected everything right, so I don't know what it could possibly be. And it's honestly just when it's sequential, not when it's like still. So I'll show you guys right now. So I don't know what to do. For now I'm just gonna run them still. Maybe I did something wrong, so if you guys want to give me some tips in the comments, I would really appreciate it. But yeah, honestly I love them though. They're so nice. Look at the daytime running lights. They look so good. I'm gonna go ahead and do some wire management, put my bumper back on, and put everything away, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, so I just discovered that whenever I put my emergency lights on or the hazard lights on, it's working fine, the sequential. And on the other side, I have like just the still one, but I don't know why. So when it's my hazards, it works, but when it's just my blinker, it still doesn't work. So I don't know. What did I do wrong? It looks so nice. Wow, let's look at the other side. Let's get up close, look at the details. Wow, I love them. I'm so happy. Alrighty, so this concludes my video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support that I've been receiving, and a special shout out to RSC for sending me these headlights. Thank you so much. Honestly, I love them, and I've only had them on for a few days and I keep falling in love with them every single day. So thank you so much, and if you guys are interested in purchasing a pair, go ahead and follow the link that I put down below, and don't forget to use my code at STI Liz for 10% off. I'll see you guys in the next one.